Well, look guys, we're working on a really unique car that we haven't had here ever before.
It's the first time for everything, bro.
So if you guys notice, this little piece here is gray. It shouldn't be gray, but it is gray. It should be black, like that or like that. So we're gonna wrap that piece. So that way, it looks like this piece.
We're gonna have to wrap all three, because he's not gonna like it after I put Inozotek on there and it looks better than all the other three.
There is no other better film that looks more like paint than Inozotek. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
Okay, so eventually, if we wrap this bumper, right? It's a really weird shape. Does it look challenging?
What are you trying to get at, Tint? Just ask me the question. Just ask me the question.
Can you do it? Do you want me to hold a light there? So
No, I see it. I see it.
it's clear. I mean, it is a Mazda.
I see it perfect.
The pursuit of perfection.
It just feels right.
Damn, that looks like it's back to normal now. Matter of fact, the vinyl looks a little bit better than the paint itself.
I was about to say that, but I didn't want to say it, but I was about to say it. Oh, guys, I don't know if it makes sense, but the vinyl looks closer to paint, and the paint looks closer to vinyl.
Don't tell Ted that, he might get upset.
But no one needs to know that.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Come on, it looks amazing. Come on, bro. It was like light gray.
Yes, no, it looks amazing. It matches the rest of the car now, which is great. So now it matches the other side.
It looks amazing. It matches the rest of the car.
Look at that. It looks just like paint. Better, actually.
You know what he wants?
Wow, guys, look at this transformation.
It's Haywood. I like it aggressive.
That's not aggressive. It matches. It's good. It now looks like a new car-ish.
It matches now. Yeah.
It's a better black than your paint black. I think you need to polish
Look at
it.
this. This looks.
You need a project
more
like this because I feel good every time little things are done.
Okay.
Shit that was working and broke and I got back working, it makes me feel good.
No, it's a money pit, Ted.
I don't think I'm gonna buy a Rolls Royce ever again.
What? Oh, man.
So Ted loved the left headlight vinyl so much. We're going to be doing the right side, and I think we might be doing this side too, just to make it all look somewhat decent. So what are we going to wrap, Ted?
So the biggest flaws on this car is the paint. So I want Sean to wrap the roof.
So here's the close-up of the roof so you guys kind of see what we're working with. It's in dilapidated condition. Defects everywhere, scratches everywhere, as you guys can see. There's a lot of these spots. They're actually bumps. You can feel them. This side is not any better. Like right here, yeah, that's missing paint right there. There's no paint right here. That's why it's gray. So this is the before. We're gonna lay the vinyl over, and you guys will see the after.
You know what I'm gonna buy, dude? You know what Team Shimmer's doing, dude? Look what I'm gonna buy for my trunk, bro.
I don't know if I can actually polish it.
What the hell is that?
It's their basket, their signature aluminum basket. You put like your helmet, your racing gear. Team Shermer! Team Shermer. Have you seen Team Shermer? Team Shermer, you know Team Shermer? So I'm gonna buy.
We're done wrapping the roof and the quarter panel of the RX7, so I want to show you guys what it looks like. This looks so much better. Oh my god. Before, it had a bunch of just swirl marks, scratches everywhere, a bunch of like paint missing, a lot of rock chips that just sort of hit it against the paint, causing it to like lift up to create these like little dots everywhere. Now it just looks so freaking good. It looks like it got a brand new paint job. It brings back the life in this car. And here's a quarter panel area. So again, same situation. It wasn't as bad as the roof, but the paint condition was nothing to brag about. And just to try to show you guys how clear this film is compared to paint, look at these two panels here. We have the hood here, and we have the fender here. These two panels look identical. This fender has been wrapped, and this hood has been repainted. Like, you cannot tell. It's crazy. You guys have to see this in person. It's so cool.